Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another Made with Love video. Today I have a really cute pop-up card for you. I'm calling this my Love in the Mail pop-up card, and you'll see why in just a minute. Like all of my pop-up cards, the front is going to be pretty plain because all of the fun is going to be on the inside. So this is what it looks like on the outside, and then when you open it up, there is all of this fun detail. You have that little I love you there at the top, the mailbox, and it says love mail, the fun lovebirds here at the top, all the different accents. Really cool card. There's the spot there for your message, and it folds relatively flat for mailing. And of course there's an envelope as well. This card looks like it might be hard to do, but it actually is really quite simple, and I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get into the materials. Okay, for this project you're going to need your CRICUT cutting machine, your light grip or standard grip cutting mat, your scoring wheel or scoring stylus, scraper, brayer, glue and adhesive, a weeding tool, and then your cardstock. Now that we know what materials we're going to need, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project is part of Made with Love 2025. If you're watching this video during the event, you can find the download button on the event page. If you're watching this video after the event has ended, you can purchase the individual cut file in my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com. If you're interested in access to all 12 event files, plus bonus cut files, printable worksheets, and commercial licensing, you can find out more information about the VIP Access Pass for Made with Love 2025 in the description box below. No matter how you download the file, make sure that you download the file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we can open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer, click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that our project has been brought into our canvas, we can go ahead and ungroup the design. We have some converting to do to some of the score lines, so let's scroll down that Layers panel and find the envelope. You're going to click on that icon to drop down the layers, highlight the score lines, change those to score, highlight the group, and attach. We need to do the same thing for the card base. And then for the pop-up piece. Once we've converted the score lines for the envelope, the card base, and the pop-up piece, we can go ahead and click Make. And you can see the different mats for this card. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this card. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, so I have everything all cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. The first thing that I'm going to do is fold and burnish the card base. Go ahead and set that to the side. You're going to come back to that in a minute. Now we can take our pop-up piece. To fold this, you're going to start with this top score line. That's going to be a valley fold. Just like that. This second score line here in the middle is going to be a mountain fold. The top score lines here on the sides are going to be valley folds. Then on the bottom of those two side pieces, those are going to be mountain folds. Here on the ends, those are going to be valley folds. So you can start to see how everything is going to form. And then finally, this bottom score line, that's going to be a valley fold. Just like that. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to slowly fold that piece onto itself. I'm going to take my scraper and burnish all the folds. And there we go. Now we can take our card base, go ahead and open that up. I'm going to attach the bottom of our pop-up piece to the inside of the card base. Just going to line up those with the score line in the middle. Alright, and now I will add glue to the other side. There we go. I will set that to the side so it can go ahead and dry. Now we can go ahead and layer the embellishments for the inside of the card. Now I do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to layer these together, but we're going to layer the mailbox together, the little rose embellishment, and then the messaging panel. Now for the mailbox, that's going to be the solid purple, then the lighter purple, white, and then pink. So I'm going to speed up the video while I do all of this, and I'll show you what they look like when I'm all done. I have the mailbox all layered, and then the cute little rose, and then the messaging panel as well. I'm going to set those to the side so that they can go ahead and dry. Let's go ahead and layer our different embellishments onto our front cover panel for the front of the card. Now you're just going to take your little birds and put them so that they are facing each other here in the corner. Just like that. I'm going to set that to the side for a minute. Now let's go ahead and start to embellish the inside of this card. I'm going to start here with this little base. And now I will add the mailbox to the front of this pop-up. Just like that. And now I will just start adding the other embellishments. Just like with all of these pop-ups that I make, all the different embellishments are totally up to you. You do not have to use them. It's just whatever you prefer. And now I will just add the messaging panel here on the bottom. And the inside of our card is all set. Go ahead and close the card. And let's attach the front cover panel. And let's go ahead and just set the card to the side for a minute so everything can dry. Let's make the envelope. For the envelope, we're going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Take our inlay panel, add glue along the outer edge of the inlay. Flip the inlay over. Place it over the cutout on the envelope flap. Spin that envelope around. Now, because of the pop-up and all the different embellishments, this card can get a little thick, so I would recommend placing it inside the envelope before you close it up. Add glue to the bottom of the side flaps. And with your thumbs, go ahead and push up and press. And that forms our envelope. And our card is all set. How fun was this pop-up card to make? I think it could be so dressed up or pared down depending on how you want the card to look. It's really such a fun one to make. I hope that you like it. If you make this card, I hope that you share it with us in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Made with Love video. Bye-bye.